sash open and secondary window open. Just the secondary window. And we just open just the secondary window. When the sash is closed and secondary window open. Secondary window open. And secondary window close. Again, secondary window close. Secondary window open and sash close. And when we close secondary, it's very quiet, almost silent. The only noise that comes in is from the other areas of the house through the hallway. But the traffic through the window, it's completely gone. Even for motorbikes and mopeds, the noise completely disappears. So this is the noise with the secondary window closed. And we have some rubbish collection. This is the noise with the sash closed and secondary open. So that's the levels that the customers had before the installation. And this is how quiet it is now. You cannot really hear the street